Micro Moments fam. Today is an exciting day because we're unboxing the IFB BRC3 microwave oven. One of the things that caught my eye is its sleek black color. And with compact dimensions, it's a countertop beauty that's ready to impress. Let's jump right into what makes the IFB BRC3 a standout kitchen companion. First off, it's not just a microwave. It's a culinary powerhouse with a 30-liter capacity, perfect for those who love experimenting with flavors and trying new recipes at home. And for those barbecue cravings, the Rotisserie feature promises ideal grilling every time, making it a dream for kebabs and tikkas. The component included in the box are roller ring, glass tray, high rack, low rack, baking plate, turn grill bracket, turn grill rack. Unlike the other IFB microwave, this model do not come with starter kit. Don't forget you're backed by IFB's assurance with a 1-year comprehensive warranty, 3 years on magnetron and cavity, and a whopping 6 years of spare parts support. Thanks for joining me on this unboxing adventure of the IFB BRC3 microwave oven. Stay tuned for upcoming videos where we put this beauty to the test. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all Micro Moments happenings. Until next time, happy cooking!